We are at 1467 East 173rd, single family house. We got a nice looking roof. Obviously, gutter's not looking too nice. Could use some paint. Porch has got a little dip in it. Surprisingly big on the inside. It's a 3-bedroom. The upstairs is totally finished. Chimneys look like they're in good shape. Got a brick foundation. Original windows. Got a little dog back here. How you doing? How's it going? It's like the porch could use some work. Nice yard. Yeah, porch. Back porch could use some work. The steps are shot. Okay. Heading inside. It's a huge room in here. So just this massive living room. Could be, you know, there's a dining room there. So this is just huge. Very cool. We got dining room. Got some built-ins. Bathroom. Got bedrooms. Looks like original windows. And we've got the kitchen. Goes outside. Heading upstairs. Steep stairs, but they're okay. Good shape. It's huge up here. Unexpected. So when you see the outside of the house, it looks pretty small, but it's like there's nothing small here. Nice big room. And down to the basement. So full basement. Furnace. It's black walls. Looks like the clay black. Looks like it's in good shape. Walls appear to be straight. Got some little kittens here. Very cute. A little dark over here, but we got the hot water tank. This looks pretty new. And got the wiring here. And looks like it's a mix of knob and tube and everything else. I guess they do have some electrical problems here in the kitchen.